Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Recently I went on a short trip to Murree with my wife. इस ट्रिप में मैं अपने FPV ड्रोन साथ लेके गया और मैंने सोचा why not shoot a mini vlog while I'm at it. सिर्फ एक दिन का ट्रिप था. सैटरडे सुबह हम इस्लामाबाद से मरी के लिए निकल पड़े और एक रात होटल स्टे के बाद अगले दिन दोपहर में हम घर पहुंच चुके थे. This was my first time doing a vlog style video, but my main goal was to show you guys some of the awesome drone footage I shot during the trip. Driving on the new Murree Expressway is always a fun experience. We took it slowly, enjoying the journey as much as we could and taking regular breaks to stretch out our legs. Lower Topa तक तो रास्ता साफ मिला, लेकिन माल रोड तक पहुंचते बम्पर टू बम्पर ट्रैफिक ने बुरा हाल कर दिया. फाइनली हम फ्लैटीज होटल तक पहुंच गए और चेक इन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर दिया. इसके बाद मैंने फ़ौरन से अपना FPV सामान अनपैक किया और सीधा होटल की छत पे पहुंच गया. The rooftop view was amazing and I couldn't wait 1 second to get my drone into the air and get some awesome footage. So here you go, enjoy. So everyone, that's all from my end. I know it was a short video, but I just wanted to upload something to the channel. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if so, please like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the channel. I'm interested in hearing what type of content my audience likes, so please leave a comment if there's something in particular you want to see on the channel. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.